Hi folks, hope you're all well and you're all staying safe and you're looking forward to, like I am, getting back out, although I'm out at the moment, wandering through the woods, taking some photographs. Hopefully they come out, I'll let you be the judge of that. Just thought I'd bring you along and share the walk with me and see how we get on. As I'm talking now, I've just noticed a nice tree over there, an unusual tree that's very unusual for this section of the woods. Let's go and have a look. I don't know if you can see it through there. As you can see, this area is owned by the Forestry Commission in this part of the country, and this is a working forest or wood, if you like. They grow these trees to a certain age and then they cut them down and sell off the timber. But obviously they then replant as well as they go. But as you can see, there's quite a fairly old tree there, stuck right in the middle. No doubt that was either here early on or possibly it's seeded and it's grown roots. But it's very, very classic. I think that could be my first photograph. But like I said a couple of minutes ago, we'll see how we get on as regards to the photograph. I'm still trying and practicing, trying to get it right. It's a lot more difficult than I ever imagined. Trying to get it perfect, trying to get it sharp and selecting the correct settings. But hopefully, like anything, practice makes perfect. So let's see how I get on. It's funny, I don't know whether you can see that, hopefully that'll come out in my pictures, but it actually looks like a face. It's actually smiling, so let's see how it comes out as regards to my photographs. Very unusual looking shaped tree. Do you know one thing I'm discovering very, very quickly with photography is that you have to be prepared all the time. So many times, and it's happened to me a couple of occasions this morning, where I see an image, I think, oh, that's gonna look good, that's gonna be a nice photograph, and I quickly get the camera out, or I quickly put the tripod down, and by the time I'm ready to take the shot, the moment's gone. Whether the light has changed, or whether, as in this case, I could see someone in the distance on the track all the way down, and it just looked such a nice image and summed up the situation we're all in at the moment as regards to getting out and getting some exercise and getting some fresh air, but obviously keeping distance from people. And as soon as I got the camera out, put the tripod down, lo and behold, the chap had moved to the side, so I lost the image. I've still taken it, but it's just proves to me that you've got to be prepared and have all the settings ready and ready to take that shot, especially with wildlife. I've actually fortunate with the camera I've got that I've got some pre-settings that I can select. And I've got one setting set for wildlife, so I can quickly switch it around, and it's ready to take the shots. The shutter speed is fast, the aperture is open, and the ISO is, I normally leave it on auto, but the focus as well is the spot focus. So I'm trying to get that sharp image if a bird quickly flies by. So I'm gradually getting there. But anyway, I'll move on and see if I can find any other nice shots. Walking back, and I've got a couple of nice shots, I think, but I'd have to wait till I get back to the house and put them on the computer and see what the image is and how they come out. Hopefully okay. I'm just walking back, and that tree that I come across when I first walked into the woods, I'm sure is smiling at me. It's quite an image. I'll turn my camera around and see whether you can see it. There you see it in distance there. It's got a big grin saying, "Welcome back, human." Anyway, guys, that about wraps up for this morning. I've enjoyed the walk through the forest, and as I said at the beginning, I thought I'd bring you along to share my short journey with me. As always, stay safe, and hopefully I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.